Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove yourself as an admin from a Facebook page. So let's get started the video. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone and navigate to the page you manage. Navigate to the menu bar, then scroll down, expand settings and privacy. Now click on settings to access the page's settings menu. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on Page Setup. Then click on Page Access. Find your name under Existing Page Roles and tap on the three dots to open your role settings. Tap Remove from Page to revoke your admin access. To confirm the action, you have to enter your password. Enter the password, then click on Confirm. This will remove you from the page. Remember, once you remove yourself, you will lose all admin privileges for this page. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.